Morning world, Hippy Trev here. It's a very strange old day up here in paradise. Run the intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Morning world. I don't know whether it's smoky or cloudy or what it is. I know we're up into the 30s. We've been hitting about 36 every day, and it's wonderful. So anyway, that's where we got to. I've got my bit of artwork done. Edge of the bus trimmed up. That's all done. All solar panels up and running. And all that's left is the very front, and I'm not sure when I'm going to get in and start doing that. This annex is holding up really well. Certainly shades the office window. And yeah, everything's up and running. Pretty happy about that. Like I said, started in June. We're almost into November. But the worst of it's pretty much done. Right, well, back at the mail table. This will only be a short video today, so big thank you to the big GT fan. This will be my GoPro 5 that I've just bought. Old GT fan found it for me. And we know what that's for. That's for stickers. The big GT fan found this for me down on the handwritten note. We all know I love my handwritten notes. And I'll probably have to put my speckies on to read it. Yep, here we go. Hey Hippy Trev, here's your GoPro 5. Mate, enjoy it and glad we were able to help you get one for a good price. Yes, you did. You'll find a self-addressed envelope stamp so you can send some stickers to a line for the postage. Well, I think the stickers don't cost anywhere near as much as what your postage costs. But anyway, thanks Shane and Nikki, big GT fan, thank you. You know I love my handwritten notes. All right, let's have a look in here. Oh God, future so bright, I've got to wear shades. It is bright out here today. Comes in a little, oh mate, seriously? Look at this, okay, gotta look at this. Fuck, I love you guys. You guys are fantastic. Look at this. Hose clamps. Oh my God, all different sizes. These ones are definitely hard to get hold of and in good condition. Mate, thank you so much. Thank you so much, mate. That's funny as fuck. Anyone who sends me hose clamps is definitely a friend of mine. All right, let's see what's in this kit here. All right, I'll tilt you down now. That's funny, mate. Thank you, big GT fan. That's absolutely hilarious. This is a good little case that come in. Oh, here we go. God, child-proof locks. Okay, yep, I've been needing, this one got a tripod on the bottom. They usually do. No, it does not. But anyway. That's a good little handheld. My little GoPro 5. No, the door doesn't even open. Oh, really? Fuck, can't get the door open. There we go. No SIM card. One original GoPro battery. I'll go and mark that. Case and a lead. A couple of fittings. And that's pretty much it. Case is not really much good to me. Leads are always handy. A couple of fittings, they're always handy. I'll use them. I'll go charge this up. And there is my new GoPro 5. It looks in good condition. I don't like the way this door opens and closes. Rightio, I'm going to go and get a card and have a look in this camera. Right, I better put my glasses on for this. This feels good. Feels in good condition. Slot feels good. I don't know how full this battery is. %. Okay. Looks good. I've got a few settings I want to change. Down to 720. Down to 30 frames a second. Preferences. Alright, well, this looks good, like a good little camera. So, the GoPro 5 I was chasing. Big GT fan, thank you very much, mate, for getting this sorted. I'll have your stickers in the mail today. You sent it express post, it took 3 days to get here. If you had to send it normal post, it would have been here the very next day. So he paid express post, sent it via express post, and it took 3 days to get here from the sunny coast. And if you had to send just normal post, it probably would have been here yesterday. So funny how it all works. So anyway, well, so I said very short video today. Hang on. Oh, I better take that mic off while I turn this one off. Had to use the voice command and that worked. So I'm pretty happy with. So what did this cost me in total? 200 bucks. The camera was 200 bucks. I got an extra grippy thing, case that I won't use, cover that I won't use, and cord that will come in handy, and a couple of brackets. So, but $200 for a GoPro 5 with bugger all accessories, that's not a too bad price to pay. And let's see how it stands up when I start running the bike. And I start doing hour-long trips and so forth, and see how these batteries hold up. So, righto, well, that's the end of today's vid. Not sure when, okay, just quickly before I do sign off, not sure when I'm starting back on the boat at the moment. It's just a wheelbarrow down the street and back. The clutches are done on the bike. It's running really, really good. I just need to get out of the naughty corner and get some decent rides in. I might head over to Cute Jody's towards the end of the week. I've just got to clean myself up a bit. And other than that, yeah, heading into November, it's definitely warming up. I bet it's been 11 degrees down in Victoria and pissing down rain. It's been absolutely freezing down there, so I'm not in a rush to jump on the bike and ride down there just now, and hopefully the weather will start picking up. The trouble is I've got to get through the whole guts of New South Wales through their extreme heat to get down into Victoria, so I've got some decent weather while I'm down there. So not sure when I'm leaving, not sure when it's happening. At the moment, like I said, the bus roof's almost done. I'm at the point now where I don't even have to finish off. The only reason I want to finish off is just to make it look a little bit neater. But on that, all the holes are patched and sealed, and should be no more water leaks up there. So that's a good thing as well. Anyway, I need to get out of the sun so the camera doesn't cook. So big GT fan yet again. Thank you for my GoPro 5. Thank you for finding it, organising it, and I'm glad I got all the payments made to you. And let's hope this works as well as I expect it to, and that means I might be selling the GoPro 7. So anyone want a GoPro 7? It's going to cost you 250 bucks. So anyway, worlds, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.